Welcome back to the channel. It's nice to have you here again. Now in this video I'll be telling you some secrets, not even secret, let's say good news. I brought good news for you, especially if you are writing UTME 2023. Now with the topics I'll give you today in chemistry, you should be sure to get about 80 plus in your chemistry. That's if you also read the topics I give you. Now let me make a quick disclaimer here. Now please, this is no educational advice, and this video doesn't guarantee your success in the UTME. It's just from my own point of view. All right, I'm just giving you these topics to help you, you know, prepare better for the exam. I guess you have about 60 days more or 58 days more to the UTME. So I'm just trying to help you. I'm not saying if you watch this video you get 100 in your UTME chemistry part. So now without further ado, in this video I'll be telling you 20 topics that come out most times in JAMB, or let's put it this way, 20 most frequently asked topics in JAMB for chemistry. In my last video I did, no, not in my last video, my last video was my matriculation day vlog. So if you have not watched that video, make sure you check it out after this one. But the most important one you need to check out is one of my videos in which I talked about 20 topics that come out most times in physics, 20 most frequently asked topic in physics, JAMB. Now this video is 20 most frequently asked topic in chemistry, JAMB. Now it wouldn't make sense if you pass chemistry and you fail physics. So immediately you finish watching this video, make sure you go check out the other video. And yeah, if you have not subscribed by this point, make sure you subscribe, because there are a lot of fire content aside from JAMB. When JAMB is over, I'll stop producing JAMB content, then you get more fire content from me. But for now, it's going to be a mix of JAMB and other fire content. But all in all, fire plus fire equals to fire. Now the number one topic here is IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. What is the full name of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists. Yeah. So now organic compound, organic chemistry is a very sweet topic. You have your esters, you have your alkanol, you have your methane. See, this topic is divided into two: organic chemistry 1 and 2. And this topic is actually a very interesting topic. When I read it back then, I really love the topic. So please make sure. I even remember I solved 400 questions on organic chemistry during my preparation for the UTM to show you how I loved organic chemistry. I solved 400 questions on organic chemistry only. So please make sure you read this topic, because there's no how now it will surely come out. There's no year it hasn't come out, and it will surely come out this year. So make sure you prepare for organic chemistry. Now number 2 is chemical equilibrium. Now this topic is very sweet. Chemical equilibrium, it's like one of the most easiest topic in chemistry. What is there? You should just know the meaning of equilibrium. You should know the meaning of chemical equilibrium, and you should know how, let's say, like temperature, pressure, concentration, all those stuffs, how they affect chemical equilibrium, if you understand what I'm saying. So number 3 is atomic structure. Now this can be a little bit tricky if you don't really calm down and read the topic, but atomic structure is okay. You just need to know like atomic structure, those be able to draw atomic structure of every element for oxygen and there are some other technical questions related to this topic. This is not a tutorial video, so I can't be explaining each topic. I'm just giving the topics, then with a little juicy stuff about the topics. So it's not left to you to go and do research. Now there's a tutorial I recommended in some of my videos. If you are still looking for a tutorial that can boost your preparation even before this UTME that is in the next about 50 days or so, drop it in the comments and I'll send you the link to the tutorial. It's paid, it's not free, but it's not too expensive. It's chicken change. So if you know you're in need of a tutorial, you can also drop that in the comment section. Now number 4, acid, base and salt. How I love this topic. What is an acid? An acid is a substance that dissolves in water to give you hydrogen ion or hydroxonium ion. Simple. What is a base? You know that. What is salt? See, acid, base and salt is very simple. Just know what is acid, base, salt. Know the characteristics of each acid, base, salt. You're good to go. JAMB is easy. It just depends on how much you prepare. Now the next one is stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is like it gives students problem, but it depends on how you read the topic and how your brain assimilates stuff. All right. So chemistry does this with like relation between mass, number of moles. Number of moles equals to mass over molar mass. Number of moles equals to concentration times volume. Then be able to know how to like. So chemistry does deal with the relation between product reactants, their moles, their mass, and all. So it's just something technical. It's like the calculation aspect, one of the calculation aspects in chemistry, and it's very easy. Just make sure you read it. And the next one is chemical bonding, electrovalent bond, metallic bond, covalent bond. Learn the characteristics of each bond. Learn the compounds. Like they could ask you, what is the bond in NH3? What is the bond in H2? Learn those stuffs also. So chemical bonding, I know most of you are bonding with your partners, yes or no? I know. So now it's time for you to bond with chemicals. So make sure you read chemical bonding very well. The next one is periodicity of elements, periodic table. Learn all this periodic trend, all this rise in ionization energy, screening effects along the period across the group. And so make sure you learn periodicity, periodic table. Know your like 1 to 30 element, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Know everything, because and try to learn like each group. We have group, you have period. Maybe for group 1, what is their common stuffs? That group 1, okay, in their valence share they have 1 electron. You're good to go. So just learn all those stuffs like that. And matter, what is a matter? That. So matter, just learn matter. There's not much about matter, but it's also a topic, or let's say a subtopic, but it's mostly come out, so watch out for it. We also have hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, characteristics of hydrocarbons. Now hydrocarbon is a topic, and it's nice. I remember reading it, and it didn't really give me much of a problem. So make sure you read it. Chemical kinetics, that's the part that deals with all this rate of reaction, equilibrium constants. So make sure you know that. Your equilibrium constant deals with concentration of products divided by concentration of reactants. So don't let it be far away from you. Alright, the way this phone is not far from my mouth, don't let it be far away from you. Okay, so okay, I already said introduction to organic chemistry. Make sure you read that. I said that earlier. Nuclear chemistry, radioactivity, they are the same thing. Make sure you know your alpha, beta, gamma rays, all this stuff. Radioactivity, read about radioactivity well. What do they call it? Decay constant stuff, half-life. If you have watched this video to this point, that means you're halfway through. So the way you're halfway through, also read half-life. Half plus half equals to 1. So try to read half-life the way you watch this video to half. You understand what I'm saying? So half-life will surely come out. It will surely come out. Now we have kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. Oh my god, so sweet a topic. Gas laws, Boyle's law, Charles law, general gas equation, ideal gas equation. You have Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume, and all those simple stuffs. Know your kinetic theory of matter. That I think we have about 5. All gas molecules are always in constant random motion. The intramolecular forces between gases are negligible. So just know all these things. I read it in sometimes ago, but it's still in this head. So please also try to read it, and I trust you guys. You guys are gonna ace this exam. Now we have industrial and environmental chemistry. This one is just about 2 pages or 3 pages in any chemistry textbook. So just read through it, and yeah. Also, experimental chemistry. You could be asked some things about experimental. You might be asked some alternative to practical questions. So just know all this stuff. And yeah, now, do you know something? The last topic is this, or it's not now. It's not like a topic now. The last task is this. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. All right. I did a lot of research to combine these topics, even with my tight schedule. I put my time into this video. I put time into all my videos. There's none of my video that I don't spend up to 12 hours in production, both scripting, editing, production, filming, research and all. So please, let's grow this channel. We are in about 300 subscribers now and we are growing. I appreciate all my subscribers, everyone that have been watching this channel from the one. So please, now your task is this: you subscribe, all right? You subscribe, then you share this video to jambites, people that are writing JAMB, the UTME, because this video is so valuable. You can't keep it to yourself. Share it to people, share it to UTME groups. I know there are a lot of UTME groups. Share it to those groups, okay? And hit the like button. It will make the algorithm suggest this video to more people on YouTube. When you hit the like button, the algorithm will also like the video. You understand? Then the algorithm will push the video to other people on YouTube. Alright, so thank you guys for staying by. If you watch to this point, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.